are two of my ducks. And when I come outside, they follow me around and fuss at me. Why are you fussing at me? Huh? No, don't come over here and peck me. Oh, you gonna try that ice? Yeah. You like that? That's ice. Yeah, Mama put ice in there. I put ice in there for you. I got a rooster doing a hot call. So my boy, I think he hears a kid screaming somewhere. That's him. Yeah. Show off, baby. He's missing a few tail feathers and went through them out. Hey, Callie. That's my Callie girl. And that's my little Tara. My beautiful little Tara. I've had her almost 4 years. Such a pretty baby. Y'all gonna fuss at somebody else, or y'all gonna fuss at me all night? Look, I do not have to take that kind of lip, especially from you two. That's Dudley, and that's his woman. I call her Freckles because she has little black spots all over her head. Now I'm gonna attempt to walk into my mother's house. Hey, Tay-Tay. Tay-Tay. Yeah, that's cold water. Mama put ice in there for everybody. Mama put ice in that for everybody. That's good, ain't it? Yeah. You like it, don't you? This is the duck that she had a really bad foot rot. I took care of her and doctored her for a while, and now she's getting around now. Alright, I want to go in. You two done fussing at me? Yeah, this rooster, I don't know if I said this today. This is a chicken that Paul and Chicken dropped off for here. She's grown up in that laying eggs. He named her. There's Gypsy. All that is with her. Lots of bills and stuff. This is where the cat lives. Okay, Peps. Coming by. Coming by, bud. Coming by. Okay, you gonna